What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my honest views on Chainlink. And today is going to be all about the logarithmic chart. I believe I've reviewed Chainlink before on the linear chart, but really, you guys, the logarithmic chart looks way better, especially after I discovered this huge triangle pattern. So I'm going to get into my future projections and my analysis of Chainlink in general. Personally, this coin has been one I have been watching very closely, as it has been outperforming a great portion of the market continually all through 2019, especially the beginning of 2019. And it looks like it could be setting up for something quite nice in 2020. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So Chainlink, before I get into the analysis, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have any questions throughout the video, or just you want to say anything, you guys can use the comment section below to do so. Now, Chainlink is a coin, like I said, that has been performing quite phenomenally through 2019. Also, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little guitar intro of Black Bird by the Beatles. This right here is what's called a huge, giant, beautiful well, it's just a triangle pattern, but I call it a huge, giant, beautiful triangle pattern because on the logarithmic chart, it's pretty rare. It's pretty rare that you find a triangle this big. So we're going to put this in captions right here. Rare, huge, giant, awesome triangle. So that is our rare, huge, giant, awesome triangle. Now, the rule with these triangle patterns on the logarithmic chart is that you can measure where the triangle pattern starts with the percentage tool, and then you can get an estimate of how far it's going to go after the chart breaks out. So as you can see, we went up 1,000% from the beginning of the triangle to the resistance of the triangle. And where the point in which the market broke out of the triangle, we can measure again. And you can see that we've went up about 912%. So we haven't actually reached our target of 1,000+% on the upside. It means that I think Chainlink in this specific trading pattern that we see here will actually overperform its trading pattern based on a couple reasons, and I'll get into that. First of all, we've only went up about 900% when our target is over 1,000%. Second of all, we have some very, very interesting things going on here from an Elliott wave perspective and from a volume perspective. So first of all, whenever you have volume, one of the general rules of volume is rising price and rising volume results in a long-term bullish move, and falling price and falling volume results in a long-term bullish move. And what you guys can see right here is a bullish volume profile where we have rising price, rising volume, falling price and falling volume, and that, generally speaking, will result in a bullish move coming. So the volume profile is showing us something very nice for Chainlink. Another thing that I'm watching closely with Chainlink specifically is its Elliott wave count. We have a very, very nice Elliott wave count here, a 1, 2 wave that fits very nicely inside of our triangle pattern here. And then inside of this, we also have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to say that that's going to be probably the top of the 3 wave. And then we'll go in for a correction and go for another 5th wave. So that means that we still have quite a bit of long-term growth on the logarithmic chart from an Elliott wave perspective, from a volume profile perspective, and from a trading pattern perspective. So we have confluence within all of the major tools that I like to use within my trading, which is a really strong sign. So Chainlink is something, you guys, that I am watching closely. It's performing pretty well today, even while the rest of the market is dipping down. Chainlink, I believe, is up about 8%, while the rest of the market is down between 3 and 4%. What we can see here is a great potential for buying the dip, especially even if this ends up being a mini ABC in the three wave, meaning that if this even goes back down to this horizontal support level right here, that's even going to be a bigger opportunity, you guys, to go ahead and get in on Chainlink before the next move up, before it finishes the percentage of the trading pattern, and before it completes its Elliott wave perspective, and before this bullish volume profile starts to play out. Now, if you guys haven't checked out Chainlink's website, you can go to coinmarketcap.com. And this is a great place where you can come find all of the different coins and look at their volume, their websites, the percentage change in the 24 hours, and a whole load of awesome things that is good to be aware of, really. So if we go on to coinmarketcap.com, we can see that Chainlink is up 8%, and it is number 16 in total market cap, which is pretty amazing, you guys, considering the fact that Chainlink has really only been around since 2018. It's already grasped a good majority of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization, which is all of the money inside of cryptocurrency. So it being number 16 is another strong signal that people are betting a lot of money on this, and it's holding its market dominance even through shaky market conditions that we've been experiencing really since 2018. Yes, 2019 has been a lot more of a positive year, but as we all know, towards the end of the year has been a little more shaky with some more volatility as well. So clicking on Chainlink's chart right here, you can click on market pairs and quickly find all of the different places that you can trade Chainlink. There's a whole load of exchanges, including Binance, HitBTC, Kraken, Bitforex, BitMax, Bitmart, Buybox, LA Token. You've got Coinbase Pro even. So this is available on a whole load of different places for you to go ahead and pick it up. And then you can also check out their website with chain.link, and it says directly on their website, your smart contracts connected to real-world data, events, and payments. So the Chainlink network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. So that means that it's a link between different blockchains that allows them to do smart contracts between each other. As you can see right here over on the left-hand side, it shows these different applications connecting to Ethereum or Bitcoin, connecting back into Chainlink, and then could even be connected with PayPal or Swift. So this is something that is really, really powerful for me, because if you can actually connect all of these different coins together and make all of them useful for each other, you can get a lot of value out of something like that. So this also has partners with Google, which obviously everybody and their mother uses Google on a regular basis. You probably have a phone that is either Android or iPhone, and if you use iPhone, then you probably Google stuff on Safari all the time. If you use Android, your entire operating system is built behind Google alone. So as you guys know, big scary AI Google is involved with with Chainlink as well, which is awesome. I think that is a good sign for the project in general, and another kind of more fundamental reason that could be behind the price action that we're seeing. But from a chart pattern perspective, the chart pattern is really telling us everything we need to know, you guys. So again, I appreciate every single one of you guys that watch my videos. Hit that like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. As always, stay profitable out there.